Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B0021-11 indicates a specific failure in the left side curtain airbag's first inflator system in the Honda Accord models from 2023 onward. This code pertains to a situation where a short circuit to ground is detected within the circuitry of the curtain airbag inflator. In essence, this DTC signals the safety restraint system, SRS, that something is amiss, warranting further inspection. The curtain airbag is crucial for providing head protection in the event of a side impact collision. It is located in the roof side rail, deploying from the ceiling down to protect occupants' heads. When the SRS system senses an unusually high current or voltage in the detection line connected to this airbag's inflator, it generates the B0021-11 DTC as a means of alerting technicians to a potential failure, such as a wiring issue or a defective airbag itself. The subsequent steps will guide you through the troubleshooting process to identify and rectify the fault. The DTC B0021-11 is specifically triggered when the left side curtain airbag's first inflator is shorted to ground, indicating a malfunction within the airbag circuit. The Safety Restraint System, SRS unit, monitors various signals from the airbag components. If it detects a voltage or current that exceeds safe operational thresholds, it concludes that an internal fault exists and logs the DTC accordingly. The left side curtain airbag is instrumental during collisions, as it deploys to protect the heads of passengers from side impact forces. This airbag is mounted in the roof side rail of the vehicle, ensuring effective coverage upon deployment. A proper understanding of its location and functionality aids technicians in accurately troubleshooting issues arising from the B0021-11 code, thus ensuring passenger safety. There are several potential causes behind the DTC B0021-11. One possible issue could be faulty wiring, which may include frayed wires or bad connections in the circuit linked to the left side curtain airbag. A short circuit may occur if the wiring is compromised, allowing electrical current to bypass intended pathways, which can trigger the DTC. Additionally, the left side curtain airbag itself may be defective. This could happen if the inflatable portion has damage or if the connectors are not properly engaged. Lastly, a malfunctioning safety restraint system, SRS unit, can also be a culprit, particularly if the unit has faults affecting its ability to properly communicate with airbag components. Each of these possibilities needs thorough investigation to ensure the proper functionality of the vehicle's airbag system. When the DTC B0021-11 is triggered, drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms. One primary indicator is the illumination of the SRS warning light on the dashboard, signaling a fault within the airbag system. This light is crucial as it alerts the driver about a potential issue that could compromise safety in the event of a collision. Additionally, there may be broader airbag system malfunctions. For instance, other airbags might also fail to deploy correctly due to increased electrical resistance. In some cases, there may be related issues with the seatbelt system, linking the faulty airbag circuitry to seatbelt pretensioner malfunctions. These symptoms serve as vital clues for technicians during diagnostics, emphasizing the importance of immediate troubleshooting actions. The first step in troubleshooting the B0021-11 DTC involves ensuring that the vehicle is turned to the on mode. This allows the Safety Restraint System, SRS unit, to initiate its diagnostic routine and appropriately monitor the circuits involved. After setting the ignition, wait for about 10 seconds. This brief pause is necessary for the vehicle's systems to power up and stabilize, enabling accurate detection of any existing faults within the airbag system. Skipping this step might lead to incorrect readings or misdiagnostics, complicating the identification of the underlying issue. By following these preliminary procedures, technicians can ensure a clear foundation is set for further testing and inspections. The second step involves inspecting the left side curtain airbag directly. This airbag is an essential component of the vehicle's SRS, providing protection to passengers in the event of a side collision. During this inspection, technicians should check for any visible damage, such as tears or punctures in the fabric, or issues with the inflator mechanism that may cause it to malfunction. Additionally, verifying that all connections are secure and correctly mated is crucial, as loose connections can lead to faults recognized by the SRS. If signs of damage are present, replacing the airbag with a new, correctly numbered component is necessary to ensure the vehicle's safety features function properly. Completing this step is vital to rule out any immediate faults with the airbag itself. The third step in the troubleshooting process focuses on investigating the external circuit wiring connected to the left side curtain airbag. Begin by inspecting the wires connected to both the LCA+ positive and LCA- ground terminals for any signs of shorts or faults. This includes looking for frayed wires, broken connections, and ensuring the connectors are not corroded or damaged. The inspection should reveal whether there's an electrical short that could cause the airbag to misreport as inactive. Following the manufacturer's wiring diagram will help in identifying the proper circuits and connectors. If any irregularities or faults are found in this stage, rectifying these will be crucial for moving forward with diagnostics and ensuring the functionality of the airbag system. The fourth step entails inspecting the Safety Restraint System (SRS) unit once all preliminary checks are conducted. If subsequent inspections of the left side curtain airbag and external circuit yielded normal conditions, the SRS unit may be implicated as the source of the fault. During this inspection, look for any physical damage or signs of malfunction within the SRS unit itself, which could prevent it from sending proper voltage signals to the airbags. If the unit is found to be defective, replacement with a new OEM unit is recommended to ensure the integrity and reliability of the airbag system. This step is critical as the SRS unit controls all airbags. Its malfunction can jeopardize the performance of the entire safety system in the vehicle. After completing the necessary repairs for the DTC B0021-11, the next step involves verifying that the repairs were successful. First, clear the diagnostic trouble codes from the SRS unit using an advanced scanner or diagnostic tool. After coding is cleared, conduct a test drive to allow the system to re-engage and monitor its behavior during operation. It is essential to ensure that no new codes arise and that all warning lights remain off. Additionally, confirm that both the left side curtain airbag and any other related systems are functional by performing simulations if applicable. Successful verification reflects that issues have been addressed adequately and that the vehicle's safety systems are fully operational, guaranteeing the protection of all passengers. Preventive maintenance is vital to ensure the ongoing functionality and reliability of the airbag system, specifically concerning the B0021-11 error. Performing regular checks of the Safety Restraint System, SRS, can help detect possible issues before they escalate into severe faults that warrant repairs. This includes routine inspections for wiring integrity, airbag condition, and ensuring all connections are clean and secure. Additionally, after any collision, regardless of severity, a thorough inspection of the airbag system is necessary to ascertain it hasn't been compromised. Properly maintaining the SRS will not only enhance safety, but also extends the lifespan of critical components, ensuring that they are ready to perform when needed. In conclusion, addressing the DTC B0021-11 involves a meticulous approach to diagnosing and resolving issues with the left side curtain airbag. Understanding the roles and significance of the airbag and SRS unit is paramount to ensuring passenger safety. The specified troubleshooting steps provide a clear pathway to identify the root cause of the fault, encompassing inspections of the airbag, wiring, and SRS unit, regular preventative maintenance checks, and timely inspections after collisions will further sustain the vehicle's airbag functionality. Ultimately, ensuring that the vehicle's safety system is operational not only bolsters the protection of occupants, but also reinforces overall driving confidence. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.